So today we're going to take the humble corn on the cob and try and elevate it into something a little bit more special. Perfect barbecue side dish or picnic side dish. We're going to make some Cajun corn ribs with a sour cream and chive dip. And this is what you're going to need. So we've got our corn on the cob, and what we're going to do is I'm just going to cut it in half. So sharp knife, just run the knife through it, you've got your two halves. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut it lengthways. So cut through it like that, lay it flat, and then cut through again. And that is what you're going to be left with. And those are your corn ribs. So just repeat that, cut through. So take some extra care, get a sharp knife, take your time, and just be careful you don't cut your fingers off. And that's what you're looking for. So what we're gonna do with these corn ribs, we're gonna boil them off. If I was cooking them on the barbecue, I'd just put them straight on as they are, low heat, cook them nice and gentle, get a nice char on them. But because we're gonna griddle pan them, we're gonna boil them off first, into a griddle pan, get some nice colour on them, and then we'll dress them up and make them look nice. I kind of like this because it's nice bite-sized pieces as well, and it's a nice way of making full corn on the cobs stretch to feed in a group of people. So all of these are cut up. If you want to cook something like that, I'm just going to get these into a saucepan and we're going to boil them up. We're going to boil them up for about 5 minutes. So the corn's been boiling for about 5 minutes. I've drained it off. And this is cooked. You can actually probably eat this as it is now, but it's all about kind of taking it up a notch, and we're gonna try and get some nice char on it. So, screaming hot griddle pan. I'm just gonna lay the corn in there now. And try to avoid moving it around once it's in there. Just looking for a nice kind of black charred barbecue type flavour. So this is what you're looking for. As you can see, it's got a little bit of a black char on it. So I'm going to continue to let these cook, allow them to get some colour on them, kind of mimic that barbecue flavour. There's no oil in this pan, just a totally bone dry griddle pan. So once you're happy that they've got a nice char on them, heat off, they're done, we can move on to our next step. So we're going to do a nice sour cream and chive dip to pair with the corn. So get yourself a little bowl, put some sour cream. I'll probably use about 3 heaped tablespoons in there. You know, just a little bit of a squeeze of lemon juice. Trying to get any of the seeds in there. Going to use 1 clove of garlic. In there as well. Also, chives in there too. Just run the knife through. Chives in. Also, a slight little pinch of salt. Also, a little bit of black pepper in there too. What we're going to do is just give that a little stir, mix it together, make sure it's all nicely incorporated. And that's a really, really basic, super simple sour cream and chive dip. So to finish the corn ribs off, I've got 50 grams of melted butter here. Got some Cajun seasoning. Just got about a teaspoon of that in there. Like so. Just gonna give that a mix around. Let's grab the corn ribs into the butter. I'm just going to toss them in that butter, get them all coated in that buttery Cajun seasoning. If you want, you can add a little bit more seasoning there as well. Never too much. There we go. And it really is just a matter of bringing all this together now, plating it up nice. Grab a plate. There's a sour cream and chive dip. Let's just get these scattered around the plate. And there you go. Cajun corn ribs, sour cream and chive dip. Let's dig in, shall we?